Welcome Tech Brothers Damir. In this video, we are going to take a look into the function called the find in set. So here we will be providing for which string we will be looking for, and it's going to take a look into the string array. Now it returns the position of one base index of a string in a comma separated string array, or it will return 0 if not found. So here is the example you can see right here. The function is find in set, and we are looking for apple in this array string. So you see right there we have apple, banana and grape, and as the apple does exist that in the first position, it is showing us 1. So let's take a look on further examples here. Here is my data, and it has some items such as apple, banana, grapes, and then I have a paragraph right here. So I'm not going to use this paragraph, I just use this in this example. So now we have cars, bike, boats, then we have a pen, pencil, razor, bike and all that. And now we are creating a data frame df spark.create data frame, use this sample data and use these two column name, items and a paragraph. Once the data frame is created, we are going to add another column by using with column. So here I'm naming that column as a word index, and then using the find in set function here, and I'm looking for the word bike, and then in which column I'm looking into the items column, you can see right there. So that's the column, and these are the values for that. Now if what's going to happen is going to try to find the bike in these all the column values here, such as it's gonna, for this one, see there is no bike in these four string array. Here we have the bike on the second, and here we have the bike on the fourth index value. So if I go ahead and execute this one, it's gonna return me those positions for the our bike word in the items column. So you can see right there, this is our items column, and here it is returning 0 because there is no bike it could find, but here it found the bike on second number, and here it found the bike on the fourth number. So that it will give you the word index depending upon what you're looking for in that array string. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.